Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW A70 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value then on this display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our device reached 110.3 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.